In the next 2 minutes, you're going to learn how to turn this boring font into this amazing stack typographic in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. First, create a new document with RGB color mode and then select the type tool and type anything you want. Then, right-click and select the Create Outline option to turn the font into an outline. Go to the Pathfinder panel and select Unite. This will join all elements into a single element. Then draw a rectangle shape that covers all the text by using the Rectangle tool and make sure to send it back. Okay, it's coloring time. I add colors to rectangles and text. You can use any color you want. Let's increase size a bit of the shapes. Before going forward, you can adjust the size of the rectangle too. Then select both and group them. Next, copy the shape and paste one time. Okay, now I move up and scale down the copied shape. Don't forget to move that shape to the back also, otherwise you will end up with a mess. Select both shapes, then I click Blend tool. First, click on the big text, and then after the small one. Then I double-click on the Blend tool again. Select Specified Steps and set steps to 6. Then select Direct Selection tool. Click on this anchor point and convert it to smooth. After that, you will see a handle. Click on that handle and bring it up. You can adjust as you want. Okay, then I make a copy of this whole object. Then I rotate the copied shape by 180 degrees and align it like this. Now I double-click on the shape to enter isolation mode. So now I can rotate the base shapes of the blended shape. Okay. Then I exit from the isolation mode and expand the blended shapes. So that will turn the blended shape into individual shapes. Ungroup them all and I delete this extra one. Then I bring this shape to the front. As a final step, we can add an outer glow for all shapes. For that, I select all and go to the Appearance panel. Go to Add New Effect and select Outer Glow in Stylize. Change mode to normal. Also, select a color. Here I'll use the same color as the rectangle. Set the opacity to 100% and the blur to 10. Okay, we are done. This is how I turn a text into a stack typographic. Also, remember to use the rectangle's color for the background as well. That will bring up a stunning look like this. That's it all. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and I'll see you next time. Cheers.